guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a beginner friendly wig install, and we're going to start off our wig with the items that I am showing you. Mind you guys, everything is going to be in the description box below, but all you're going to need is got to be glue, got to be gel, hot comb, some tail comb, just a brush also, and also you're gonna need a blow dry. So right now I am taking all the excess hair out of my face, because when you're putting the glue on, you don't want any hair just kind of sticking on, because it becomes irritating, and when you're trying to put the baby hairs, it's just gonna not look right and just look off. And I'm just taking my lace upwards, and I'm gonna put a foundation closest to my skin tone. I would advise you guys to use a powder foundation because it melts into your skin much more evenly. So that is why I use the powder foundation. And if you were to use a liquid one, if you were to mix it with the glue, it just starts to look patchy and it just doesn't look right. So that is what I'm doing right now at the moment, just trying to make sure everything blends in. And also I'm also aligning my wig so that it stays in the middle, because right now I'm trying to get this is a middle part wig, so I'm trying to make sure all sticks to the front and it's in the middle. Well, a trick that I use is the 4-finger trick, where I place my 4 fingers on my forehead, and wherever the pinky lies on is where I'm going to be placing the glue. I learned this from a YouTuber actually, and it really does help. Like, sometimes you get confused on where to place the lace. If it's too front, it just looks weird, and if it's too back, it's just not right. So I advise you guys to use the 4-finger trick. It really is helpful. And right now I'm just trying to put some glue in front of my forehead, on my hairline, sorry. And I start off with the sides because I find that way easier to do than just starting off in the middle, because in the middle is a little harder to place on. So that is what I'm doing right now. And I use the Got To Be spray also, because I feel like those two combination really does give you a stronger hold. And after, I'm gonna blow dry my glue down. And once you blow dry the glue, make sure your blow dryer is on hot. And make sure it's on low, because you don't want to be burning your edges off. Just don't want to burn yourself. And once you get that sticky consistency after blow drying the glue down, that's when you want to, and I'm using my tail comb to take out any excess hair and trying to use it to pin down the lace, because I use my fingers and the tail comb, because I feel like if my fingers kind of places it down even more than the tail comb would, like it helps it. So I'm just using the tail comb and the blow dryer to press it into my skin, so that it kind of gives it that melty, kind of growing out your scalp effect. And I also use my hands. Remember guys, I said I use my hands also, because it really does help. Once I'm done blow drying my lace, I'm gonna put a little more foundation on the lace because it does not look right, and I wanted to remember give you that scalp effect. I found out that the beauty sponge helped a little more. And a trick that I also want to show you guys is when you want to get that melt effect, use alcohol on the sponge and dab it in, not too much, just a little, like 2 sprays, 2 pumps, and just dab it in to your into your lace. It gives it that melt effect. Like, I've been using that for quite some time now, and it really does help. So now I'm just gonna tie my hair down, and this is also gonna help it kind of let the lace melt into your skin even more. So I'm just styling my hair by brushing it out. And a trick that I learned, if you want your wig to stay in place and you don't want it to move when you're sleeping at night, grab a needle and thread and sew in the middle part. Make sure it's not like you can't see it, but also that's why you probably want to use a black thread. It really does help your lace or your wig to stay in place. And if anyone wants to do no yoga stuff on your head, honey, yoga where your lace and your wig is gonna stay in place. It really does help, and it really helps your hair last a little longer. So that is what I'm doing. And after that, I'm gonna style my hair by just straightening it and just making it look a little more presentable. So I'm using my hot comb, guys. If you guys want to be able to have a lace frontal that looks really nice, you guys really need to invest in a hot comb because it really does help. So now it's approximately 5 minutes, and you can tell, honey, like that lace is melted. And I'm going to be styling my edges by pulling out a couple hair, not too much because you don't want it to look chunky, so just a little bit. And I put in got to be spray and just using my tail comb to just style it to the side, just kind of giving it that swoop effect, like just making it look like it's your own hair. So that's why I like to put baby hair. I don't know, it depends on your preference. If you want to put baby hair, you could, but if you don't, you can just stop at where I just kind of take out the hair wrap, and I just kind of make it look a little more presentable and cute, and just trying to make it look like it's my actual hair, you know? now I'm just gonna take my straightener to just kind of straighten out. I don't like my hair to be too straight sometimes, it depends, but right now I just wanted it to look a little straight, not too much, just giving that wavy effect. Yeah, like just kind of making it look more, you know, simple and cute, not too much, because we're on this whole situationship and I ain't got nowhere to be, so I'm not trying to strain it that much. And that is it, guys. That is the finished look. Hunty, look at that lace, like stiff wear.
Ooh, no way.
Where you could never. Anyways, yeah, this is the final look. Just 5 to 7 items. It wasn't really that hard to see. It was very beginner friendly, as I said, and just simple and easy to do. I'll put everything that I use in the description box below. Guys, feel free to like, comment, and just subscribe, and let me know how you feel about this video. Bye, take care.